According to the WHO or Health Organization (WHO), tobacco smoking and chewing is the second leading cause of death around the world. It is responsible for the death of 10 adults worldwide, approximately reaching about 5 million deaths in a year. It is estimated that the death toll rise in 10 million each year by the year 2020. So anong year na? So each time a person puffs a cigarette or chew tobacco, more than 4,000 chemicals come into contact. All of these chemicals harm in the way or another. Studies conducted, 43 of these chemicals are known as carcinogens. Carcinogens are substances that cause cancer. Nicotine is an addictive drug found in tobacco products, which cigarettes is a poisonous stimulant. Stimulant drug increases the central nervous system activity. So, yung epekto talaga ng tawag ito. Yung epekto ng sigarilyo. It increases uh, the reaction of the process of the central nervous system. And the central nervous system controls the body organs like the heart, lungs, brain, processes like the heart, blood pressure, respiration, and more. Every time the cigarette is lighted, smoke is emitted, there are smokes produced by cigarettes. So before we go to that particular area, do you think the person can actually smokes is the one in danger? Number two, how about his family around him? Are they really safe? Number three, every time a cigarette is lighted, smoke is emitted. There are three smokes produced by cigarette smoking. Number one, tawag na mainstream smoke. Pag sinabi natin mainstream smoke, refers to specifically to the smoke that the smoker directly inhales, or what we call is the first hand smoke. So, pagka nanigarilyo sila, medyo filtered pa yan kasi meron pang ano yan may filter pa. If ever they're smoking tobacco, baka yun ang walang filter. Pero, lahat ng smoke, sila yung nakakahigit eh. Then number two is the side stream smoke. The smoke comes out from the lighted end of the cigarette pipe or tinatawag natin secondhand smoke or environmental tobacco smoke. This is more dangerous than the mainstream smoke kasi nga ano to yung sa cigarettes meron silang filter. Ito naman directly talaga from the lighted part na amoy nung secondhand smoker natin. Pangatlo, third hand smoke. Smoke left for a long time on a sofa, beddings, pillow, and other objects. The smoke is called residual tobacco smoke or the third hand smoke. Settles along with dust and can last for months, and the smoke still contains harmful chemicals and carcinogens. Sabi nga ng EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, classifies secondhand smoke as a Group A carcinogens. This means that cigarette smoke substances that cause cancer to humans. Short exposures to secondhand smoke can also cause changes in the passer smoker's blood. It makes the blood platelets stickier, adds friction to the blood vessels, causing the damage to the lining, resulting in the increase of heart rate and performance. Yun sabi ng from the www.epa.gov. So, yun. So, daan natin. So, when a cigarette is lighted, mayroon siyang tatlong klaseng smoke na napoproduce. Mainstream, side stream, and third hand smoke. Bye-bye guys.